Hello and welcome to the Balzer Technology Center, also known as the New Engineering Building. My name is Lindy Roberts and I'll be your tour guide for this evening. As you can tell, now the building is located about 10 miles from campus, we've had an exponential increase in the number of bikers who bike here every morning. So we'll start there. Let's go ahead on into the building. One great new aspect of the building is the increased amount of study space for students. As you can see, they take advantage of it on a regular basis. We have a large number of students working very hard at this time in the semester. Also over here, another table with a study whiteboard in the corner. Let's head on upstairs. So here we are on the second floor of the building. We're going to head down to the right here to see some of our classrooms and labs.
Well, what's over here?
Oh, no, you can't go that way. Don't ever go over there. That's the CM department. It's the shadow lens. Just don't do it. Just don't do it.
Lindy, have you seen Mr. Smith?
No, he hasn't been around in a while. I'm not really sure. Good luck finding him.
Thanks.
All right, here we have one of our first classrooms. I believe Dr. Holmes is teaching material science class, so let's take a visit there.
Okay, if my theory is correct, I'll throw this and it'll explode. Well, don't ever be late to my class again. Well, you guys have fun freezing stuff. I've got some Winobot stuff I need to go do. Come on, let me try it.
All right, well, our next stop is a little bit unusual, but I wanted to show off one of the crowning achievements of the new building. The girls worked very hard for this, and so I feel it's only right to highlight it on a tour.
So last year we had a big green couch in the girls' bathroom. So when we were moving into the new building, all of the girls petitioned to have a couch in this building too. And Dr. Bland gave us these beautiful benches. I wonder what's in the boys' bathroom.
All right, let's continue on down the hall. We have a couple more classrooms down here that we can go visit. So next up, I believe we have Dr. McFarland teaching his thermodynamics class.
So, Dr. McFarland, how's the weather look today?
It's looking kind of rainy, guys. Sorry. All right, class. So today we have a MMMMM. Now, this is a magnificent, magical, monumental Monday math miracle. So be prepared. It's kind of math heavy. So class, if you squint a lot, then this Monday math miracle is equal to x star. And x star is just this simple equation. Now this constant here this is a good dating vocabulary, Max, for the weekend. You know, if you got on a date, you can just break this out and just break her heart, you know. So this is called the quiescent Boltzmann's constant.
So yeah, you look very quiescent today.
What?
Well, according to the second law of thermodynamics, you're supposed to share your happiness with me. Okay. Well, see, what you and I have is very phenomenological.
So class, remember that steam can always be treated as an ideal gas. So you can use the ideal gas law whenever you're dealing with steam and those kind of problems, because it'll really help. You can just use them all the time.
Thermal police. Now, Kevin, I've warned you before. You've exceeded your infraction limit. You're coming with me. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
No!
Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry, guys. I'm sorry for his lies.
All right, well, that was exciting. Don't see that every day. But we'll move on now and just try and forget about that. Down here we have some of our new labs. We have an antennas lab and a communications lab. I believe Dr. Setting is teaching a class, so let's check that out.
So I equals VO
absolute value over ZO times cosine omega t plus beta d minus phi minus gamma times cosine t minus beta plus phi.
Dr. Sodian, shouldn't that be a minus phi?
Let me look at my notes. Yes, you're right. So Levi, what does the power equal in this case? 0, 6, or infinity?
Infinity?
Did you say 0?
Yeah.
Good. So that's what I want you to turn in today, is I want you to use the Smith chart to find the magneto-reluctance of a coaxial lossless transmission supplying inverse reactive power to the turboencabulator.
Our last stop on this floor will be our very corner classroom here. I believe Dr. Kim is teaching a machine design class.
So, we look at the g-axis here. G-axis, okay? Any question? Yes.
Dr. Kim, what happened to your arm?
Oh, my arm. Oh, yes. Well, back in Vietnam, I was driving a tank and burned it on the gun. And then they kicked me out, and I come to JBU.
Why did they kick you out?
For, I crashed the tank. You see these things, very massive, lots of inertia. And you can't just drive it like you drive a golf cart. You gotta take a wide turn, whoosh, and then crash into the building. Okay, any questions?
All right, we're back on the first floor now, so you can see over to the right here we have our renewable energy lab. To be honest, I have no idea what goes on in there. That's kind of not in my realm of expertise, so we're just going to move on. Here we have the electronics lab, so let's see what's happening in there.
Guys, we've been here 30 hours working on this digital electronics project. The spinning machine is getting really frustrating.
3, 2.
Continuing on down the hallway here, we have a new feature of the Boulder Technology Center, an engineering break room, convenient place for all of our students to eat lunch and hang out with each other when not in class. This is our engineering technician's office. Someone was looking for him earlier, so I'm going to poke my head in really quick. Well, looks like he's not there, so let's continue on down the hallway here. This is our computer lab, so let's go check things out in
Do you
there.
have any homework to turn in today? Anyone else? Any others?
No, the sword! The sword! The sword!
Okay. And Kim, what goes in this box?
Don't care.
That is correct. And Matt, what about this box?
Don't care.
That's correct. And Joel, what goes in this last spot?
I don't care.
That's correct. Okay, class, with the rest of the time, we're going to look at creating a game called Halo 4.
On your left here, we have the engineering conference room. In the old building, this was called the fishbowl. But since this one is bigger, Dr. Bland told us we're not allowed to call it that it has to be the aquarium. And back over here is another entrance to our computer lab, but I think there's something else going on in there, so let's see what that is.
So just to let you know,
This is where we are, and this is where we're going in the wonderful world of digital signal processing. So, thinking about the constraints for this project, who's got a good one? Kimberly, what's a good one?
Time.
Time. We need to allocate time for different things, for different phases. What else? Oh, come on. I know it's the Monday morning after spring break, but you gotta have something. Come on. What else? Travis, what's a good one?
Money?
Money is important in these things. Expand on that. Money.
Well, we need to make sure we have enough money allowed so that we can fit inside the budget set for the project. Or so we're not spending more than we're allowed.
Good. We might want a little bit more than that. But, okay. No one else.
We'll head down this next hallway with some of the faculty offices. Shermana's office will be the first one on the right here. She's our engineering administrative assistant.
So I was trying to print this Excel document, and I think it quoted me like $28 for the job until he drained my printer account, because the copier across the hall from the computer lab is printing one cell per sheet.
Oh,
And
okay.
I was wondering if there's any way you could give me a refund for that?
Yeah, just let me know the document name and we'll get that fixed.
Alright, thank you.
Hi, Shermana. We
Hi,
made
Joe.
$400 in t-shirts.
Thank
Could you put that in the account?
Yes.
Thanks.
totally.
I need another yardstick. I broke another one.
There should be one in the projects lab.
Okay, thank you. Hey, Shermana, do you have a 4-year plan?
Yes. 1 second. You are? Does anyone else need a 4-year plan?
To the left here, my left, we have faculty offices. And if you look to the right here, you can see some of our seniors in their natural habitat. Continuing on down, you can still see seniors if you look through the window here, but we're going to go on into our fluids lab and check out our wind tunnel and jet engine. Except
This computer is so slow. God.
Oh, let's just keep going straight into here. So this is our high bay area where we have some more seniors working on their projects here. We'll conclude our tour in this room. As you can see, this new engineering building, the Balter Technology Center, is miles better than the previous one. I wonder whatever happened to that old building.
Huh? What? They changed the locks. Let's see what's open anyway. Oh. What happened here? Where's my office? Oh, new staircase. That's strange. Where's my office? I don't understand. There used to be a whole bunch of office stuff here. What happened? So that's why carbon credits are important. Because of stuff. And cap and trade, that's the way of the future. You done yet? Oh my gosh! Where'd the building go? You think they saved the Venturi tubes? Oh no! Why?
Hey, Dr. Setti. Dr. French? Where's Dr. Setti?
He retired early. He's playing golf.
Do you know anything about electromagnetics?
Oh look, there's an engineer over there!